Hey guys, I am Bivas and you are watching my channel Body Behind the Eye. Hope you are all fine. And I think by seeing the title you can understand in this video I will be share my educational knowledge about the functional and structural unit of our body, that is cell. Simply, if we want to be healthy in our life, then we need some basic knowledge about our body, like how our body works, our body made up of what, etc. So at first we have to know about our body made up of what. In generally we can say our body made up of some organ system like circulatory system, musculoskeletal system, reproductive system, digestive system, etc. But if we try to see deeply, then we can say our body made up of many levels of organisms, like chemical level that consist of many atom or molecules, after that cellular level, tissue level, organ level and organ system level. These organ system levels are the combined or grouped form of many organs. So we can say one or more organs join together and make a organ system, and the organ level are the grouped or combined form of many tissues. That means one or more tissue grouped or joined together and make a organ. After that, if we say about the tissue level, then we can see the tissue level also be a grouped or combined form of many cells. That means one or more cell join together and make a tissue, and these all are the basic knowledge of our body. And in this video we will know about cell. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, and the cells also be a grouped or combined form of many atoms or molecules. So we can say all the chemical functions of our body can take place inside the cell, and these all comes under the cellular level of our body. And we also know that cells are called as structural and functional unit of our body. But our question is why we should tell like that. That means our question is why we should tell cells as a structural and functional unit of our body. Because of all living organisms made up of cell, and all the functions of living organisms maintained by the cell, and that's why we have to say cells are the structural and functional unit of our body. Now if we see the classification of cell, then we get two type of cell. One is eukaryotic cell and another is prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells means the cell those have a well defined nucleus. That means we can identify or define all the part of nucleus present inside the cell. And the prokaryotic cells, they don't have any kind of nucleus. They don't have any kind of well defined nucleus. As an example, we can say all the human body cells are the eukaryotic cells, and all the viral and bacterial cells are the prokaryotic cells. And in this video we will know about human body cell, that is we will know about the eukaryotic cell. If we think about the human body, then we can understand our body made up of about 1 trillion cells, but it starts with a single cell that called as zygote, which is the result of a fertilization of female ova, that is ovum, and the male sex cell, that is spermatozoa. So we can say our body is a developed form of a single cell, that is zygote. Now we will know about the structure of cell. The cell made up of cell membrane or plasma membrane and cytoplasm and nucleus. So at first we have the we have the cell membrane or plasma membrane as the structural outline of cell. So we have to know what is cell membrane or plasma membrane. The plasma membrane or cell membrane is a thin, elastic and semi-permeable membrane that covers all the cells and it helps to transfer many particles or substance from inside to outside or outside to inside of the cell. Now, if we talk about the structure of cell membrane, then we have to say the cell membrane or plasma membrane made up of 40% of lipid, 55% of protein and 5% of carbohydrate, and it is about 7.5 nanometer to 10.5 nanometer in thick. So, as the structure, the cell membrane has so many components and one of them is lipid. Now, we will know about what is the function and structure of lipid in cell membrane. The cell membrane or plasma membrane have two layers of phospholipid, and because of these two layers, they also be called as bilipid layer. And the phospholipid consists of one head portion and one tail portion. The head of phospholipids are electrically charged and hydrophilic in nature, and they are made up of phosphate, glycerol and choline. And the tail of the phospholipid are non-charged and hydrophobic in nature, and it made up of fatty acid. Now we have to know what is hydrophobic and what is hydrophilic. Hydrophilics mean they are the water-loving molecules. That means the molecules can make a ionic or hydrogen bond with the water molecules. And the hydrophobic means they are the water-hating molecules. That means they cannot make any kind of ionic or hydrogen bond with the water molecules. Now we will see what is the function of lipid in the cell membrane. The lipid of cell membrane can give the shape to the cell membrane or plasma membrane due to the bilipid layer. And the lipid layer is in cell membrane helps to regulate extracellular fluid. That means fluid present outside the cell like blood, plasma, CSF, synovial fluid, etc. from outside to inside of the cell. And it also helps to regulate the intracellular fluid. That means the fluid present inside the cell like cytosol from inside to outside of the cell. And till the function of lipid in the cell membrane is our today topic, and we will know about the protein and carbohydrate as the part of plasma membrane or cell membrane in the next video. And if you want to download the PDF file of this part, then you can go through the link that given in the description box. And I am thankful to you all those are already subscribed my channel, and till now if you are not a subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification for the next video. And please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you all.